Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Diwali 2020. In today's video, I'm gonna do the most requested video of all time, that is how I clean my brushes, my makeup sponges and all my makeup application tools. So if you are interested, then let's begin. Also, before starting with the video, I would really appreciate if you take your time and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. And with that, let's get started. Okay, so before actually moving on to the process of cleaning my makeup tools, I just like to show you how it looks right now. As you can see, it looks very dirty. I have been using this makeup brushes for months now, and I know I'm guilty of that. I do not really wash my brushes every single month, but I should do it, and you should do it too. So as I film almost every single day, my brushes look terrible at this moment, especially my eye makeup brushes, but today it is going to look pretty and I am going to show you how I do the entire process. It is a long process, so please just take your time and watch the video, and you will know how exactly I sanitize my brushes as well as how I clean it. So firstly, it's time to take all of my brushes out of the brush set, and all of my brushes are from Amazon. Some are from Minnesota. They have some amazing brushes. After we are done unpacking the brushes, it's time to clean the pouch as well, and for that I would be using this makeup wipe remover from Himalaya. So I have been using a lot of makeup wipes in the past, but this one is the best and it is the softest. I use this too to remove my makeup as well. I know that using makeup wipes is not really eco-friendly, but there is no other replacements to makeup wipes. If you have any suggestions that are eco-friendly, please do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to switch it. I actually prefer using a makeup wipe just because it has a little bit of sanitization to it, so it sanitizes my pouch as well, and this is how it looks like. Very dirty. I have been using this for over 2 months at this point. I know, not so healthy, but still. Next, I would be using this Savlon sanitizer spray to sanitize it even more. It's very important to keep your brushes and makeup tools sanitized, and that is why I sanitize the pouch as well. Next, moving on, you need a mug like this. I usually prefer a transparent mug, as you can see how clean your brushes are, and trust me guys, the makeup do not really come up in one wash. It does take a couple of washes. It is quite handy to use a transparent mug. Next, I take Dettol solution and I put a little bit of the solution in the water. This will help to sanitize my brushes and my sponges, and then I just prefer using a shampoo. Here I will be using the Billa Veta, just because this has beautiful coffee smell to it and it makes my brushes smells divine. You can use any shampoo you have, or there are separate shampoos that are particularly made for your brushes, but I do not really go for that. Any particular shampoo or soap works fine with me. Then the next step is to just clean your brushes one by one. I just dip all of my brushes into this mug, and here it has shampoo and Dettol solution in it. Make sure that you are putting a little bit of Dettol, not too much. I will be putting all of my brushes inside it, and then I would just wait for 1 hour or 2 hours depending on the condition of my brushes. So if I have not cleaned my brushes for over 1 month, I would just keep it for more than 2 hours. But sometimes I do wash my brushes every single week. That time I just dip it for like 15 to 30 minutes. And this is how my eye makeup brushes look like. I just wanted to give you a close up. It looks terrible. I use these brushes almost every single day, as I film almost every single day, so I have to use the eye makeup brushes. Next, I would take my Miniso brushes. These are flat brushes and I don't really use them much, so these are little bit less dirty.
Next, I would move on with my face brushes. These are the dirtiest one. You can see by yourself how dirty these are. I use this every single day, and I sometimes wash my face brushes separately because it's very important to wash your face brushes every single week. It does catch a lot of bacteria, so it is very important to wash your face brushes even if you are not washing your eye brushes. And the same holds true for the beauty blenders as well as the makeup sponges. Makeup sponges does catch bacteria the fastest, and I do wash my makeup sponges every single time I use it, and it is very important to do so. It catches bacteria so fast, and you have to wash it every single time you use it. And as you can see, I have just put all of my brushes as well as my beauty blenders into the mug, and then I would let it sit there for more than 2 hours, and then I will come back and wash it one more time. After almost 2 hours, I came back and I took the same shampoo, which is from Bita Vella. You just need to pour a little bit of shampoo on your sink, and then you just start cleaning your brushes individually. So here I would be taking my face brushes first, and then I would just clean it separately. You just need to squall your brushes along with the shampoo on top of the sink. There are some separate blush cleaner tools that are available in the market. I would be linking it in my description. You can go and check it out. Presently, I cannot find mine, so I just used my sink to clean it. You just have to squall the brushes a couple of times and check in between that it is clean or not. It does take a lot of time and it is a very time consuming process. That is why I always skip it, and it is important to wash your brushes every single month. So here I would be showing you a close up of some of my face brushes. You can see how dirty they are, and it was the perfect time to shoot this video. For this video I just waited a couple of more time to show you how dirty my brushes look actually, as I was constantly shooting for Divalog and I needed my brushes every single day. So yeah, I hope you got the entire process, and this is how you have to clean every single brushes. I know it takes a little bit of time, but it is worth it. So yeah, I would be fast forwarding the clip so that the video is not so long. Now, when you're done cleaning your brushes individually, it's time to take a fresh mug of water and take a little bit of shampoo this time, and then you just have to dip all of your brushes one last time. So this tip is optional. You can do it, you may not do it as well. I just like to do this because it keeps my brushes super duper clean. When we are done cleaning our brushes, it's time to clean our beauty blenders. So for beauty blenders, I do use a different technique. Firstly, I would be using the shampoo and wash the beauty blenders individually as I did for the brushes, and then you just have to squeeze your beauty blenders very nicely. Just make sure you're not using your nails, it may make some holes in the beauty blender, so just be careful. And then I would just take the beauty blenders in a small container and put it in the microwave for 1 minute. This technique does clean the beauty blenders very nicely, and you cannot even spot a single bit of foundation or any kind of face makeup on top of the beauty blenders. After you are done cleaning your brushes as well as your beauty blenders, it's time to wipe the water off, and for that I would be using a normal towel. You can use anything you want, and here you just have to wipe it off onto your towel, and then just arrange all of your brushes in a order and keep it for overnight or for 4 to 5 hours, and your brushes are ready to use again. And yeah, this is how your brush will be looking like after you have cleaned it.
So that's it for the video, you guys. So many of you requested for this video, and this video is long awaited, and I'm so glad that I finally did it. So yeah, if you like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come up with a new video. You can always follow me on Instagram, as I'm totally active there. And till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I will see you guys tomorrow.